sunshines, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a unboxing video where I will be showing you what I ordered from Bed Bath & Beyond. Yes, I've been waiting on this item for the longest and I finally got it. I've been waiting on this item for my coffee station. That's the clue. I had asked you guys on Instagram, do you guys want to see my coffee station? Do you want me to do a video on it? And a lot of you guys said yes, but I felt that my coffee station wouldn't be complete. You guys, I'm struggling with this box. I felt that my coffee station wouldn't be complete without this very item. I'm so excited, you guys. Here we go. It is the Keurig Mini Plus. So this is the one that I wanted because the one that I currently have, give me a minute and I'll show it to you. It takes too much space on my coffee station area. So I wanted something smaller. My nails are all jacked up. Excuse me if you just saw that. I wanted something way smaller. So I went ahead and got this. This thing was not cheap. It was $100. From Bed Bath & Beyond, and if you use their coupon, if you have the 20% or the $20, of course, you could take that off. But if you ordering it from Amazon or any other place, it'll be that amount. So let me turn it. I think I could take it out. Yeah, let me turn it upside down. This is it. I read the reviews on it before purchasing it. To be honest with you guys, for me, it's more of the aesthetic. I just needed something smaller, something universal. So I decided to go with this. And if I don't like it, boo-boo, they give you 60 days to return it. So it will be going back. The struggle is really real. So you get a thank you for choosing Keurig. Notice it says, we strive to provide excellent customer service. Our team is always here to help. Please feel free to contact. So I guess if you have any problems, they gave you the card. If I have any problem, I was gonna call them anyways. Then you get a little booklet. It tells you about the product and perhaps how to use it. But with all the research that I've done and all the videos that I've watched, I'm sure I got this. Oh my God, I'm excited. Who gets it? The box fell. But who gets excited about a coffee maker? I do. Okay, well, it's well packaged. I mean, there's not much in here. There's not much in the package. It's just this in a box. Are you guys ready? Okay, because I'm ready to see it. Oh my God. Yes. This is so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. The only thing about this is the fact that every time you need to make you a cup, actually, it's good for me because every time you need to make your cup, you gotta add water to it. That's the only difference between that and others, but I don't mind because that's mean that the water, I'll be adding fresh water. I don't have to let the water sit. So I will be placing it in the coffee station, but just keep in mind when the video is done and all that, I'm gonna wash it and stuff. But just so you guys, just so you could see how it look for video purpose, I will place it there. So yeah, so it does have a storage. Hold on. Let me move this out the way. It does have a storage compartment based on what I read. So this is the storage where you can add K-cups in here. For me, I don't think I'll be needing this part, so I'll put it away in my pantry somewhere. But if you don't have space and you don't have other places to store your K-cups, then I guess this will come in handy for you. But me personally, I won't be needing this here. Let me put this aside. So yeah, this is it. And then you pull this out. Again, like I told you guys, I did a lot of research. So this is the drip plate. So when you need to clean it, you'll just pull this out to clean it. Or if you need like extra height for your cups and stuff, you could also remove it so you can have more height. And I love how you can store the outlet in the back right there. That's nice. And the water storage. Yeah, and it's easy. You just remove it just like that if you want to clean it out or so. Pretty much it. So every time you need water, you just would have to lift up this thing to put water. Oh my God. And then here go where you add the K cup or the K cup refiller. And then you press this down, and then this will be your button. This is your turn on. But a lot of people that I read reviews on was complaining, saying that they can't control it. But I think it's really because they have not done research on the machine, so they don't know what they can and can't do. But I will figure it out, and I will find out. And it says a strong button, and this is the power. I have to find out what the strong button is. What does that mean when it says strong? But that's pretty much it. Like, it feels so good in my hand. I don't know if it's because it's new. I love the slickness of it. Oh my God, you guys. All right, so this next clip, what we're gonna do is move the old one out the way and place this in its forever home. And like I said, after the video is done, I will be washing, you know, this part and maybe cleaning this part up. I gotta give you a full tour of my coffee station, so that's not what I'm trying to do right now. But as you can see, it's squished up together. There's no space here for anything because how big this machine is. So right now, with the help of my son, while I videotape, he'll go ahead and remove the old one so we can place the new one. But I'm not gonna fix nothing now. I don't, you know, I'm gonna see how I really want to place the stuff on here. So for right now, I'm just gonna place the machine there just so you can see the difference. I plan on doing a full video on this area so you guys could see. And I'm gonna go through the drawers and everything. So right now, that's not what we're doing. All right, he's placing it. So do you see how the white looks much better than the big black one? Oh my God, I'm so in love, you guys. Oh, it looks so nice. Yes. But look at the space though. Look at the space. The other one took like this whole wall section right here. But now, look. And then I love the fact that everything here, like the white goes with everything else. Like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna keep this. If I'm gonna keep, I doubt it's gonna stay like that. But when I do the video, I'll show you guys the full review. But this is about this baby right here. This is worth every penny. It's so sleek. It's so pretty. It's so white. I would say if you're not the type of person who likes to clean and you don't believe in keeping white, I don't suggest that you get the white, but they have gray, it comes in black, it comes in red. So maybe you need to go towards one of those. But for me, I love white everything. My dream house is to have an all white house. Guys, just take a look at this beauty. Oh my God. So I am gonna turn it on right now, just so you guys could see. Again, my assistant is going to help me. He's gonna pull the plug out from the back, and then we're gonna plug it so we can see what it say. I am so excited, you guys. The big black one versus this white one. Come on, why not? When you taking a plug out from the back, you may have to pull on it a little bit because it's kind of in there. Like they really pushed it in there. So it might be a little struggle in the beginning, but you get it out. A lot of people were saying the plug was too short. For me, it works out pretty good. So we're gonna press the power. There's no water in there, so I guess I'm gonna put some water just so I can see. I'm going to do my first try with you guys. So I have my son getting some water. All you do is just lift up this flap thing to put the water in. It do show you max and minimum. All right. So now that is down, let's see what else. So we're going to put a mug down here so we can see. I don't want to put a coffee in there because I'll be wasting it, but I think I may have to. So let me see if it will at least give me some hot water. Press the silver button. Okay, so the silver button is how you start. Oh, okay. Let's see if it'll give me some hot water. I don't know. I see it's blinking. I don't know what it's doing now. Oh no, you guys, it's coming out, it's coming out. Yes. Okay, so it takes a few then. Because I would really use this more so for the hot water. So when I'm making a cup of tea, this way I don't have to go warm it up in a kettle. So if it comes out, because that's what I used to do with my other Keurig machine. I used to make tea and I'll just use the hot water from the Keurig. OMG, you guys. Oh my God. Can y'all see this? How do you like this girl getting excited about water? Woo! It's hot? Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I almost burned my fingers off, but it's hot. Yes, ma'am. Yes to tea bag. Yes, I'm dancing. So I want to see how much water it gives. So what I've noticed is because this cup is so short, if this was coffee that I was making, what I've noticed is it splatters inside of the cup. I don't know if it's because the cup is so short, but
it's the water, the way it come out, it's like drips.
Yeah, because maybe it's a plastic or something I'm missing. No, actually it's not. Because the way the water comes out, it comes out like in drips. Like instead of the other Keurig machine that came out straight, as you can see with this one, it was splattering everywhere. So if this was coffee or something, it would have went everywhere. So I got to keep that in mind. I got to go with a higher cup or something because this ain't gonna work. But when I say this thing is hot, it is hot. It is really hot, so we know it works. I mean, so far so good. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'll be looking for another one. But there was not that much white K-cup machines in the market, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna contact the manufacturer to give me something that I like. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. So you got a 2-for-1. You got a unboxing / review. Starter review. So anyways, if you are not following me, please follow me on Instagram. It will be on the screen and also down below in the description. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. It helps your girl out. It keeps me motivated to keep making these videos. Stay tuned because my next video, I'll be giving you a full tour of my coffee station. Until next time, I do all the legwork so you don't have to. Talk to you soon.